Hi everyone, Anna Bean here. Today I'm going to do a product demonstration of my new gel pens. These gel pens are made for writing on black paper. I'm going to swatch them for you today and I'm super excited. They come from the same manufacturer of where I get my Sakura Jelly Roll pens and my Tombow brush lettering pens and my other brush lettering pens and pretty much every pen because I love this manufacturer. Their quality is excellent. Yeah, so I have 3 sets. They're $14.99 a piece unless you want all 3. If you want all 3, then the value is $44.95 and I'm selling them for $35. So great value for a ton of pens. It's 9 pens in each set. Each set comes, you know how much I love packaging, comes in a pretty satin bag. And then on the inside, there's a surprise. Each set comes with a black Post-it note. So how fun is that? All right, let's swatch these. And they do have the wax tip. And pretty much, most of them just kind of pop off. You know, you're used to that. But if one's a little tricky, then I just take it and just wipe it off with a tissue. So just a little tip for you. So this is a gray color. I'm going to try to do this fast because it's a lot of pens. You know, it's a total of 27 pens if you buy all 3. It goes on, and as it dries, you see it will get brighter and brighter. Very pretty color. Real pretty pale pink. Turquoise, blue. Pretty much any shade of blue is my favorite color. So you'll see that each set has a shade of turquoise, teal, light blue, and of course pink. Like you see it drying. Yeah, that's so neat. And it feels good. It feels good in your hand. I love the little clicky. Yeah, and the grip, the rubber grip feels nice in your hand. And this is set A. Ooh, look at that yellow. How pretty. All right. All right, so there was set A. I'm going to go ahead and put these away. Got a little hair tie here. And then this way, I can keep them nice and organized. My little Anna Bean Paper Co. zipper pouch. These are brand new to my website. Yeah, that's going to work great. Here is set B. Then there's still a little wax on this one. I'm just going to pop it off. There we go. Oh, our side. Okay. I do love how these are so vibrant. At least it's. All right, on to set C. There's a lot of green in this one and kind of woodsy colors. Now this blue one's going to take a minute to come to life. And the greens, oh, the greens are so pretty. Taupey color. A light brown, and this real pretty red. And it takes a minute to come to life too, but oh, isn't it pretty? All right, so that is all 3 sets. I'll show them to you side by side. And I made it like this. I chose these sorts of variations. So that way if you did just buy one set, then you still have a variety. But then I wanted to make the variety even more because, you know, we love our pens. So there you have it. Set A, set B, and set C all together. I hope you love them. And always feel free to reach out to me. If you have any questions or need any assistance from me, I am happy to help. And I am so grateful to you guys. Thank you so much. You make my heart so happy. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.